Are you trying to choose between AT&T and T-Mobile? Both are major carriers and they offer different strengths depending on what matters most to you: coverage, speed, pricing, or extras. Let's start with coverage. AT&T has the most reliable networks in the US with strong service in both suburban and rural areas. And if you're often on the move or live outside a city, AT&T generally holds up well. As far as T-Mobile, it has made huge strides in recent years. Their urban and suburban coverage is excellent, and their 5G network now reaches more people than anyone else. But in more remote or rural areas, T-Mobile can still be hit or miss compared to AT&T. Now, in the 5G race, I'd say T-Mobile is ahead. Their mid-band spectrum allows for faster speeds across more locations, giving them the edge in everyday performance, especially in cities and on the go. AT&T's 5G is solid in metro areas, but its nationwide 5G speeds are generally lower. That said, AT&T's LTE network is stable and consistent, making it a safe choice for users who don't need blazing fast 5G all the time. When it comes to cost, T-Mobile usually wins on price. Their unlimited plans are more affordable, and they include taxes and fees in their advertised price. You also see perks like in-flight Wi-Fi and international roaming on most plans. AT&T sits more in the middle. Their plans aren't the cheapest, but they are not the most expensive either. They offer solid performance, and their multi-line discounts can bring down cost for families. T-Mobile includes Netflix with certain plans, plus streaming perks and generous travel benefits, and AT&T often bundles up Max, formerly HBO Max, which is a solid bonus if you're into premium content. So it depends. Do you want more travel-friendly features or better entertainment value? Here's the quick summary. You should go with T-Mobile if you want the fastest 5G speeds, lower pricing, and urban reliability. And you should choose AT&T if you want steady coverage across the board and better rural performance, especially if you're in a mixed coverage area. No carrier is perfect everywhere, so it's a smart choice to check local coverage and maybe test a prepaid plan before committing. For more videos like this, let us know in the comments. Give us a like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.